Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I didn't get out to the farm super early today. I had some other errands to do. I needed to get like an oil change in my car and do some other stuff, so I wasn't able to get my car out here until they were done with it. But I'm out here now. I'm gonna get that Yarrow cleaned up, which it's really windy, so I'm probably not gonna talk a lot. I'm not really doing anything but pulling weeds out of the Yarrow. So I'll do a little footage of that. And that's pretty much gonna be the day in the life on the flower farm today. So it's really nice. It's like 76 degrees. It is a little windy. Sorry if you're hearing wind noise. But I think the next 3 days are beautiful days, and then it cools off again. So I'm hoping I can get all these weeds out, and then I'm just done with the field work until after the snow. And then I'll probably do some cleanup. And other things you can do like this time of year are like clean up different areas or clean up fences and just kind of knock stuff down and try to get invasive things out, you know, of different places. And then maybe the next year it's easier to mow or stuff like that. And then I also have the project where I want to look at that old building and see if I can make the south side of it just like a big, huge greenhouse window so that I can put my plants in it and harden them off next spring. I think it would just give me a lot more time in my days. So now is kind of the slow time and the downtime when we can think and we can plan. I did go on the computer today and I set up my 2023 subscription service for bouquets. So I need to do some social media things and get that out there. I need to make a new plan for my garden next year and kind of plot it out. And I will share all of those things with you, but I won't have as much footage probably over the next couple of months because it is kind of my slow season. But that's what I'm doing today. So I think I'm just gonna get right to it. Obviously I've pulled all the weeds like out of this hole and out of this hole, and then like this hole doesn't have any yarrow in it, right? So all I do is I go to a plant that's like right next to it, and I take the seeds and I just sprinkle them in, and I'm hoping that they'll just come up next year. And I could put some under the dirt and put some more over. I don't know, we'll just see how it works. And I might start a few plants next year, but more than likely most of this yarrow will come back up. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going down, and if there's empty holes where there isn't yarrow, like you can see all of these have yarrow plants in them, and these are all the seeds, and I'm just taking and sprinkling some seeds in each of these holes, and we'll see how it goes. So see, this is like a massive weed, so that hole's never going to grow yarrow even if I let that die back. So I'll just try to dig it out of the ground and then throw some seeds in, and I'm hoping to eventually get to a place where this whole row is yarrow and I don't have to do this. Wishful thinking, I know. Okay, so for the most part, I think I got all of the weeds out of the yarrow. That's mostly just dead yarrow, so there's not a lot to see. But I did pull a ton of weeds out. One thing I do not have is I don't have my garden bag. So I was pulling them out and setting them to the side, and there are a ton of like seeds and stuff in the weeds. So I was trying to wrap them up, and I hope they don't blow away. I'm gonna have to run and get my garden bag so that I can like toss all the weeds into it. So I'll do that, but I think that's about all I'm doing today on the flower farm. Another day in the life of a flower farm. Gotta love November 1st. Things are kind of winding down. And now like some cleanup begins. But anyway, that's all I was doing today. I just wanted to update you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day.